Hey guys, today we will talk about gold. Yes, gold. We will talk about the different karat of gold, the different markings on the gold, and how does gold is made. First, we will talk about the fine gold. Fine gold is 24 karat gold or mark 999.9 like this one. The fine gold looks like this in color. No other color than this, whether it is a gold bar, a jewelry, a gold dust, gold nugget, pure gold looks like this. Yeah, there's no white gold or rose gold in nature. It is only made of alloys. That is why it looks like white or rose gold. So fine gold only looks like this one. That is 24 karat gold. Now, why do we have 22 karat gold, 21, 18, 14, 12, 10, and 9 karat gold? How it's made? First, we'll talk about 22 karat gold. 22 karat gold meaning 22 parts over 24. So 22 karat gold is always marked 916. This is it. To calculate, it is 22 divided by 24 karat. It is 91666, like that. That is why we say 916 on our 22 karat gold. So how to make 22 karat gold? First, you need to multiply this with 1000. So it is 916. So 1000 parts minus 916. So you need to add 84 parts or 8.4% to make 22 karat gold. So meaning in 22 karat gold there is a 8.4% other metals like copper, nickel, or whatever metal to make it 22 karat gold. How about 21 karat gold? 21 divided by 24 equals 0.875 times 1000 equals 875. So if you serial mark 875 on your jewelry, as long as it is not fake, it is 21 karat gold, meaning 1000 minus 875, you have 12.5% other metals mixed to your 21 karat gold. Now how about 18 karat gold? 18 divided by 24 equals 0.75 or 750. That is why you always see 750 on your 18 karat gold, right? Now in 18 karat gold, you have minus 750. You have 250 parts or 25% of other metals, meaning if you have 10 grams of 18 karat gold, you only have 7.5 grams of pure gold and 2.5 grams of other metals. Okay, now for the 14 karat gold, divide 24 is 583. Now why is it that you always see 585 on your 14 karat gold? So most of the jewelries use 585 or 58.5% gold in order to make 14 karat gold. So your 14 karat gold is actually more than 14 karat. Okay, 1000 minus 585, and your 14 karat gold you have 58.5% of pure gold and 41.5% of other metals. For 12 karat, 12 karat is 50% of 24 karat. Divide 24 times 1,500. But I did not see 500 mark on any jewelry yet. I only see 12k, but maybe some of the jewelry is marked at 500, or yeah, supposed to be 500 because it's 12 karat, right? Okay, how about 12 10? Okay, let's go to 10 karat. Pero guys, formula is just the same. Just follow the formula. Karat divide 24 and then multiply by 1000. 10 divide 24 equals 416 or 417 times 1000. So we'll have 416.666 or 417. So your 10 karat is supposed to be marked 10k or 417. That is for the 10k. Now for the 9k, 9 divided by 24 equals times 1000 is 375. So mostly you will see 375 or 9k on your 9 karat gold, and so on and so forth up to 4 karat or whatsoever karat you want to calculate. So that's it. That's how to calculate the karat of your jewelry, so that you will understand what is that stamp on your gold. Why do I have 375? Why do I have 585? Why do I have 916 875? So that is the only formula. But sometimes we wonder why there is white gold or rose gold. Next time we will talk about how to make a rose gold and white gold. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe, leave your comment, and let me know what topic about gold you want me to make next time, so that I will make a video for you as long as I can. That's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.